Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well and having a great life and happiness. So in this video today I'm going to show you some amazing crochet coasters patterns designs. And these coasters are the perfect handmade accessory for your home or workplace. These coasters are sure to bring a smile to your face every time you use it. Not only is the pattern quick and easy, they make great stash busters or equally beautiful presents to gift for all occasions. I hope you will like the video. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel and let me know your favorite crochet coasters design. And a fun, quick and practical project. You can make a whole set in just a couple of hours. These are so easy to use, and you can gift to them anyone, like simply keeping your hand busy. You will find endless designs in my YouTube channel. So do support me by sharing the video and give the feedback. So thank you so much. Bye bye, have a good day.